working.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, how are you?
Do we do it live or do we do it just filming?
Up to you.
Hi.
What are you doing? Maybe. I think I cheated.
Why?
The V1 goes here. I think it's scanned and then I grab it out again and then scan it again.
Hi everyone, we're at Cabramatta Leagues at the Tomra machine. One of the machines. We're trying out all the methods on what's easier to collect your 10 cents. So we've been to the shop. We haven't made the video, but we've been to the automatic counter, but it took really long and it was like a big ass queue. But this one's like around the corner from my house. There's no one really here. We've got all these bags of plastic. Getting ready. Cat's over there loading it up. Where we are.
We already did the glasses last week. Now we're doing just plastics. Actually, we had a bit of glasses left. I'm not sure if you can hear me because the train is just passing by.
We've got these bottles. It's gonna be
The
for
trailer is going baby. I'm not sure if they can hear me.
That's right.
Do it after.
It's going to be an extra couple dollars for our trip that we're going on in 2 days. Every train decided to go past right now, so a bit noisy. What we'll do is we'll turn this a little bit.
Just a little bit.
We're gonna do a little bit quicker because there's a spare machine now.
Baby, grab the phone.
Huh? What do you want?
Oi, oi. I got it.
What do you want? Grab the what?
The phone.
Why?
Oh, I'll do it. So we got a full trolley here, and we now have $19.30. We already had the $5 something earlier with the spare glasses we got left. And this is how you claim your 10 cents. First one is digital refund. So you scan some barcode on some Tomra app, and then you link your PayPal, and then it goes into your PayPal. The other one is you can do it for a voucher of cash, where you can refund the voucher at Woolies. You can also refund it in BWS, but I'm not very sure with Big W, where Big W is really a sister company, so it should be fine. Or if you have a good heart, donate your refund. Yay!
I have a good heart, but I'm also broke, and it helps the pocket.
Alright, we put you back in here again. doing this? Huh?
Yeah, the ladies do too. In the shop. But she closes too early.
Yeah, she closed like 4 o'clock. Sometimes a bit earlier when no one's at the shop. So it takes this bottle, a B.
I know why it doesn't take the up and go sometimes.
Because the plastic is doing something with it that it can't read it properly. This one is okay as well, but yeah, the up and go. Sometimes you gotta get rid of the plastic so it can scan it properly. So if the thing is not okay for it to go through, it will show you this one.
It went through.
It went through. How rude. Alright, let me try to go and look for another up and go. Still went through. Bastard. Let's see if your coat will work. Holy shit, where did you go? Maybe it's gone.
There's groups of people that were making a good $2,000 a week from collecting bottles non-stop all day, every day. They were collecting from neighborhoods that didn't really care about their 10 cents a bottle or $2.40 a case. Like those like Northern Beaches, Manly, all that sort of stuff. So people went around with their trucks and got bags and bags of the bottles. But there was a lot of rude people that just left all their mess behind. Not just a machine that's so quiet with no people here. Cabramatta Leagues also does some mean seafood. So if you collect enough bottles, you can go buy a lobster.
$20. $31. The other one. Is it already wrecked? $19.30. $5.90.
And I'm keeping these Woolworths bags because they're 15 cents.
Alright, we're filling up the car with all of the crappy plastic bags and all of these boxes. Alright. They are open from 7 a.m. till 10 p.m. You can see all of the places where they do this machine, or counters, or the, what do you call the other place that we went to? Or some sort of warehouse looking thing where they collect it sort of this way, but they do it for you. Yeah, you can look for it online, and that should be good. Did it say 10 cents?
That guy walked here. And he got here first. But we were still putting heaps of bottles in. Spare cash, man. We had glass bottles the other day. And we got
$60 something.
oh, just from the glass.
Yeah.
Told you, then we had like 300 bottles. The other day we went on like Sunday. The last month when we went, we made like $76 as well. It seems like a common occurrence. Yeah, don't mind that guy.